Hello there. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss and show about the nesting of OU. So by OU, we are able to know there's an organizational unit, and basically we create OU for delegation of control for a user and for linked with GPO. So by linking with GPO, if we made some policy, then we create a GPO and then link with OU. And with OU, we can create a users and groups, and to delegate some uh, commands. We delegate some authentication to particular users. Now goes to Active Directory users and computers, and at administrative tools we will find that Active Directory users and computers. And currently I'm logged on with DC1. Now at domain, right click new and then organizational unit. So now we already learned about organizational unit, about that option which is available. You can see protect container from accidental deletion. If we uncheck that, then 100% chance is there to delete the OU at any time. Now if you are making OU temporary basis, then uncheck that, it will delete, and you can delete anytime in the future. But if you uncheck that, since OU is a sensitive thing and a container on the domain, then you might face big consequences if it gets deleted or if someone removed that. For example, create a sales named OU and let that OU save with the protection of accidental deletion. Now what I need to do is I can even create OU, another OU to that OU. So for example, sales OU, and you can create a new OU. So by this you can do a nesting of organizational unit. I mean, keep categorizing the OU. A sales OU is a primary one, and you can create more and more so that user particular will get the rise. So as we already said, for example, give a name of manager and create another OU. So if we, for example, wants to do a delegation of a control, and we wants to assign some control to our user, then we can put the assignment to put the rights to the particular OU. Now create another OU accounted, for example. Another OU, for example, is for example, principal. So it's up to you whatever name do you want to give. Or for example, I've just put assistant. Okay, another OU I wants to create. So this OU is created on the sales OU. Sales OU is your preferred one, and since if sales OU get deleted, then everything will delete it, and that's the reason I've said that it might create a huge problem, create a consequence if you delete it, if that OU get deleted. So for example, another OU wants to create, and you can see the path techengine.tv.com/sales/manager. And for example, I want to create another OU, or so this time will be principal. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing currently, that users, managers, and the principal mean these OU after you mean the category is like that, the path of that. For example, even I can create another OU at the principal. You can see the path over there. Open technologytv.com/sales/manager/principal, and for example create another OU called head. So you can see sales, manager, principal, and head. So even you can create another OU on that head. So this is what the category is all about. This is what we can do. Nesting means at one OU how many organizational unit can contain. And since it's a container, it's known as a container technically, uh, like a recycle bin of your computer, and it can't be deleted since we allow our protection of accidental deletion. So it will always protect our rights, always protect our organizational unit. So hope you learned something about the nesting of OUs. Thanks for watching.